I-ready na yung TikTok.
Okay, sige. Salamat. Thank you very much, Kuya. For the sake of the organization, Kuya, and for the sake of our employees, as well as all the regional governors and members of this fraternal organization, dapat tayo, mga leaders, magiging model, magiging example sa ating mga samahan. So thank you very much. My respect to our National President, Kuya Igan Ronald de los Santos, to our National President, who will be dancing later on, Kuya Ed Madrid, our National Treasurer, Kuya Pons, to our regional governors, Kuya Edward, Kuya Romantico, the only romantic governor, and all other governors and officers of the Fraternal Order of Philippine Eagles, magandang hapon po sa kanila lahat.
Good afternoon, Kuya.
We are here assembled in the spirit of Christmas. Kaya nakipag-usap ako sa kanila dahil gusto kong makita ninyo, gusto kong makita at sabihin natin sa ating mga samahan na tayo dito nagkakaintindihan. Hindi pwedeng kami dito as your leaders, kasama na rin ako dyan sa leaders, ha? As your leaders, we have to show an example to our members that we acted as leaders and as models of this fraternal organization so that we can unify our ranks in this fraternal organization. And let me read, basahin ko na itong message ko ngayon. Baka may makalimutan pa ako. I want to welcome you all to our celebration of the most wonderful time of the year with great feeling of purpose and hopefulness. Few more days before we finally reach the holidays, this is the time to celebrate with family, friends, and the many wonderful things in our lives. For many of us, it is also a time to honor our faith, to remember those who are important to us, both those who are present and those who wish were present this time. It is time to look back on the year and consider everything that has happened and how we got to where we are today. This time of the year means different things to different people. But for all of us, it is a time to reflect on the people who make our lives meaningful. That's what I'd like to focus on today. This year, we have faced several challenges as an organization. What we have been through on the past months is not new to us anymore. Everyone in this room worked tremendously hard. We are all tired, but we held it together and had a decent year. Thank you everyone in every department from top to bottom and every level in between. To those who have been in our organization for the years and to those who have just joined recently, your hard work and dedication have helped us get where we are today. You are unquestionably our most valuable asset. Every day, it is your teamwork, diligence, creativity, ingenuity, and perseverance that make our fraternity better. Let me take this opportunity to thank you all for a wonderful year and for everything you do for the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, and on a daily basis. I am looking forward to working with you all throughout another exciting year, full of challenges, opportunities, and surprises. I am confident that you will face them all with the same grace, resourcefulness, and dedication that you have shown this year. May you have a peaceful, joyous, and safe holiday season with your family as well as my best wishes for the prosperous New Year. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you.